Debbie, it's Andrew once again. I'm up here in the Highlands, and there are up here there's Capital West Homes and David Weekley Homes. So I think you're familiar with some of my videos from David Weekley, and you've seen, well, they're the premier builder up here. But this is a gated community up against the mountain here. I'm gonna walk you through so you can see the views, and I'm gonna go into the backyard so you see the view and how close we are to the mountains. And sales agent is writing a contract now, and I'll get back with him shortly. Just beautiful views here. This is the Goldwater floor plan. And as you can see, we are right up against the edge of the desert here. Very little lighting here. Obviously no lighting in the back. But I will show you, there are street lights over here. You can see that's Capital West right next to it. And as you can see, we are right up against. Now, the question I do have is, because there is a road that goes back there. I'm not sure if that's just a service road or if that will be future development. And so that's what I will confirm with Art, the sales agent. But if you are the stargazer and you're looking for darkness, I would really recommend considering Highlands or future development up here. He did say that they're probably 2 to 4 years out from doing this, and then I'll send you pricing as well. Goldwater, 4-bedroom study, TV room, 3.5 bath, 4-car, 10 and garage, priced at $814,990. And then there's lot premiums depending on what lot you would pick, obviously, plus a pool, etc. But I think that we could probably get you into what you want for under your budget.